Okay, so this is going to be a short video over the law of definite composition lab and help you get through this quickly. Shouldn't take you too long. One thing to note, we're going to have it due April 14th, so you'll do it this week. And so as we get started, go through the PowerPoint, make sure that it's in color so you can look at this stuff. So I'm going to start by answering the questions on the data sheet in the actual PDF file. Okay, so it's provide the physical state at room temperature and pressure. It's a solid. Its color is shiny silver. Okay, the atomic number of magnesium is 12. And it's in group number 2. Group 2A. Okay, so if we're looking at our periodic table, it's right here. Okay, would you expect magnesium to gain or lose electrons in the chemical reaction? It should lose because it has a +2 charge. It means it's going to lose 2 electrons. Now, I'm not going to do the whole entire lab with you. I'm just going to do the first page and then show you how to do the calculations for the back page. Okay, so now it says write a balanced equation for the reactions that occur in the lab. So we're going to go ahead and do this, and then we're going to go through the actual reactions in the lab through the PowerPoint. Okay, so it says magnesium, solid magnesium, reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. So magnesium oxide is Mg with a +2 charge, O with a -2 charge. There's no need to crisscross because they're equal and opposite charges. Now we're going to balance. You got 2 O's on this side. I need 2 O's on this side, 2 Mg's, 2 Mg's. It should be balanced. Next reaction says solid magnesium metal. Reacts with nitrogen gas. Nitrogen's N2 because it's diatomic. To form magnesium nitride. Magnesium's a +3 charge. Magnesium's a +2 charge. Nitride's N with a -3 charge. So we're going to crisscross Mg3 N2. And then we're going to we're just going to balance right here. So got 3 Mg's, 3 Mg's, 2 N's, 2 N's. It's balanced. Okay, now the next part says magnesium oxide reacts with water. So Mg +2 oxide O. Okay, no need to crisscross because they're equal and opposites. Reacts with water to form magnesium hydroxide. And we did this reaction on our notes in our worksheets. So if you want to write this as HOH, be my guest. So when we go to balance this, we need 2 O's, 2 O's. Wait, I think it should be balanced. Yeah, it's already balanced. There's no need to break it down like that. So it's already balanced. Magnesium nitride, so we just found that over here, is Mg3N2. Reacts with water to form magnesium hydroxide, MgOH2, plus ammonia gas. Ammonia gas is NH3. Okay. This one we're going to have to balance. Let's see. We got 2 O's here. You need 2 O's over here. So it changed your hydrogens to 4. Well, that's not going to work out too well because it's going to throw off your nitrogen. So let's start with balancing something else first. Let's start with magnesium. Let's start 3 Mg's here, 3 Mg's here. That's going to change your oxygens to 6. So let's put 6 here. That's going to change your hydrogens to 12 total. So I have 6 here I need 6 more, so 2 times 3 gives you 6. 2 ends, 2 ends, it's balanced. That was kind of tricky to balance. Magnesium hydroxide, so MgOH2, decomposes to yield magnesium oxide plus steam, which is just water. Okay, now let's make sure this is balanced. 2 O's, 2 O's, 2 H's, 2 H's, 1 Mg, 1 Mg, it's balanced. Okay, now going back to our PowerPoint. So magnesium is bright silver color. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna wind it up and coil it up, and we're gonna put it in a crucible, okay? So I've gone through and I've labeled the PowerPoint, which is gonna help you when we go through our data sheet. So this is number 1, that's your crucible. Empty, when I put some magnesium in it, this is what it weighs. I'm gonna label it number 2. Okay, you're gonna heat it up. Make sure you watch the videos that go with the actual reaction so you can actually get an idea of what actually happened in the lab. Okay, we're gonna weigh the product after we've heated it up. So we're gonna label that number 3. Okay, and then we're gonna follow the steps in this. We're gonna add some water and it's gonna produce ammonia. Ammonia is gonna give you a special smell, so make sure you watch the video that goes with this. Okay, we're gonna reweigh it and let it cool down. So this is gonna be number 4. Okay, so as we go through, I labeled all of these like this, okay? It's more useful if we actually go through the data sheet. So I'm gonna flip back to the data sheet of our lab. So our data sheet. You're literally going to write all of this data. It's given from the PowerPoint, okay? Now, as we go through and do these calculations, I labeled all these so they correspond to the PowerPoint, and this is actually how you find them, okay? So the mass of magnesium is gonna be number 2 minus number 1. The mass of magnesium oxide is number 4 minus number 1. The mass of oxygen is this one minus this one. Now, if I want to find percentages, it says find the percent magnesium. Okay, so the percent magnesium is this over 7, number 7. Sorry, number 5 over number 6. Percent oxygen is number 7 over number 6. Now, on these where it starts talking about moles, anytime we're going from grams, we have to go through the molecular weight to get to moles. So the molecular weight of magnesium is 24. The molecular weight of oxygen is 16. Now, we're going to use it as 16, not diatomic, because it's not by itself. It's in a compound, okay? Your ratio should come out to be something really close to 1. And when it's talking about number 13 in the PowerPoint, it says write the structure. It should be MgO, okay? So you should get something really close to 1. Now, all you have to do is write the numbers down here from the PowerPoint and then do these calculations. We're going to turn that in. I really don't need the first 3 pages of the lab. If you want to turn them all in, that's fine. But I just really need this data sheet so I can check your answers and prove that we actually did a lab. Okay? So if you have any questions, hopefully this helped you out, and feel free to reach out if you need anything. Thanks. Bye.